Hi everyone, welcome to the session. So in this session, we are going to discuss about one of the small topic, but yes, it is used in the production a lot of time, which is called extensions. So let's get started. So if you go to the VM, if you just go to any of the Azure VM, here on the left side, if you scroll down, so under the settings, there is one option, extensions plus application. So if you just click on this, so here you will find there is one option to add the extension. So what is the meaning of this extension? So generally what happens, extension is like an agent. It works like an agent. If you want to install any application inside the virtual machine, and if you want to manage it through the Azure portal itself, then you can take the help of extensions. अगर आपको Azure के VM के अंदर कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करना है और उसको आप पोर्टल के थ्रू मैनेज करना चाहते हो, then you can take the help of extension. So it is going to install the agent into your VM, and whatever agents are available, you can use their softwares. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल कर पाओगे. There are some predefined softwares by the Microsoft, so you can use them with their licenses. And if you want to run any script also, let's suppose कि आपको VM के अंदर कोई script run करनी है, so you want to manage that script via portal as well, so you can take the help of extension again. So let's see how does it work. So before this, let me take the remote of this virtual machine. So I will just connect with this VM via RDP file. I will just download this, keep, then open. So I will connect. Let me see what happened. Just refresh. Again, just let me try to connect. Okay, now I will enter the password. Then connect. So here we have the remote access of the VM, and here let me show you there is no software available. So let it load first. So let's wait. Yeah. So now it has been loaded, and if I just open the run and type appwiz.cpl, I'm going to program and features. So this is the shortcut to get into the program and features in the Windows. So appwiz.cpl, and let it open. So here you can see only the browser and the .NET is available as part of the installation. So ये तो by default आते हैं, but there is no other software available in this VM. So let's manage the software through the extension. So I can go to the Azure portal and let's go to the VM. From the VM itself, if you scroll down, so under the settings, there is one option of extensions plus application. If you just click on this, so under the extension, you can see there is one option of add. If you just click on add, so here you will see a lot of extensions provided by the Microsoft. So you can see a lot, and there is one which is custom script extension. So if you just install this extension into the virtual machine, so you can manage the scripts via this custom script extension. You can run any script inside the VM and you can manage it from the Azure portal. So if you want to do some automation, you can just take the help of custom script extension. For example, if you want that whenever, let's suppose during the VM installation itself, if you want to automate that automatically, the web server IIS installation should happen automatically. मतलब VM के साथ साथ IIS की installation भी हो जाए. If you want to automate such steps, then you can take the help of CSE, custom script extension. So इसके थ्रू हम कोई भी script पास कर सकते हैं VM के अंदर without managing it from inside the VM. VM के अंदर से manage करने की requirement नहीं है. We can just manage it from the portal itself. So there are a lot of extensions here. You can just go through. One is anti-malware. So it's like one of the antivirus here. I will show you very simple one. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं, but we will use the team viewer so that you can understand how to install it. सारी installation same होगी. So I will just click on the team viewer because you guys are familiar. I think all of you are familiar with the team viewer. So I will just select it and click on next. So जो agent मुझे install करना है, जो extension install करना है, we have to select it and click on next. Right after this, it will ask for the details. So if the organization wants to add any details like any token ID, any shortcuts or anything, like if there is any config ID, so we can enter it. If there is no information, we can just leave it as it is. क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है इनको डालना. It's not mandatory option. So for information, if we want to do something, then we can. डेस्कटॉप पे शॉर्टकट क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, सो यस वी हैव टू इनेबल इट. वी वांट टू क्रिएट द शॉर्टकट इनसाइड द वीएम डेस्कटॉप. Then plugins in the Outlook. So do you want to add it in the Outlook as well? So you might have seen in the company that when we open the Outlook, so the softwares which is related to the collaboration, they are already integrated. Like Teams, MS Teams are integrated inside the Outlook. So similarly, it is asking that do you want to connect it, do you want to connect the team viewer in your Outlook? क्या आप अपने team viewer को Outlook में connect करना चाहते हैं? So if you will enable this, so it will get integrated into the Outlook as well. But we are not using any Outlook in our server. Do you want to install the VPN also? VPN install भी करना है आपको इसके साथ साथ, so that on the VPN it can become secure connection. So you can enable it. Printer के ड्राइवर इंस्टॉल करने हैं, so you can also enable it, but I don't want to do such stuffs. I just want to enable the shortcut on the desktop. I will just click on next, and these are the summary details, and then I will click on create. Now let's wait for the installation to get completed. And meanwhile, if I go inside the VM, so here you can see the TeamViewer shortcut has come, and the deployment is also done. Complete हो चुका है ये. And here you can see the shortcut as well. And if you refresh the program and features, so here also you would be able to see the team viewer. So if I open this again, so here you can see the TeamViewer host is available. So now you can use this software. So you can just open it and you can start using it for the remote access. If you want to uninstall this, so you can do it in the similar manner. You can just go to program and features, and from here you can just select and right click, then uninstall. And if you want to manage it via portal, so you can just go to the Azure portal, go to the virtual machine, select your VM, go to the extensions, and you can see the team viewer is here. So if you want to, let's suppose, delete this or uninstall this, you can just click on this extension and you can just click on uninstall. So right now the provisioning is successful. अभी कोई issue नहीं है, अच्छे से deploy हो गया है. But if you will uninstall this, so now it will get deleted from the VM. So installation, uninstallation can be managed from the portal itself without getting inside the VM. So that is one of the thing related to the extension. And it was a very small topic, but I would wanted to discuss it with you so that you can understand all the features and functionalities. So now we can just wrap it up. And in the next session, I will come up with a very great topic, with a very complex topic, which is high availability. So that is one of the biggest topic we have in the VM. So this extension has been deleted now. We don't have any further extension here. And if you just get inside the VM, so the team viewer has been removed. So now we can just wrap it up. So thank you very much for your timing. See you in the next session. Bye.